Every great achievement begins with one simple decision to start. You may not know exactly where the road will take you, but every journey begins with a single step. Dream big. Your dream are the vision of the life you want to create. Don't let fear, doubt, or other people's opinion decide your futures. Remember the people who believes in you, your family, your loved ones, and everyone who want to see you succeed. Let their support become your strength, not your pressure. And never forget, time is your greatest investment. You cannot save yesterday and you cannot control tomorrow, but you can make today count. There will be failures, there will be difficult days, but failure is not the end. It is another lesson on the way to success. Keep going, never give up. Keep learning, build your knowledge, improve your skill, and become better every single day because education does not just open doors, it gives you the confidence to walk through them. Set your goal, believe in yourself, work in silence, stay consistent, and one day you will look back and realize every small step was worth. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more motivational and inspiring content.